against Coast Guard laws to be inside the arch of the bridge. Park. Can't be doing this.
We're not parking.
We're not parking.
We're
stopped.
We're moving.
I'm stopped, so I don't run into you. But see, I can't even get around you. I can't even get around you, guys.
That's why people have mirrors and look behind them when they're rowing.
Right. Not to flip, because look at, there's no room for you in the middle of this channel and a boat to go by you.
5 or 6 rowers have passed us and saw us about 100 yards ahead. So you got to turn around.
Right in the middle. I can't pass you on that side, and I can't pass you on this side.
If you see us, you would go in the middle.
Every rower that's passed us saw us 100 yards away. Every single one. We fish here all the time.
You know what? I'm a champion rower.
And we're champion fishermen.
It has nothing to do with that, man.
You're not supposed to be here. I'm calling the Coast Guard on you.
You call the Coast Guard. And we'll tell them how you're not watching where you're going.
Go ahead.
Call them.
Go ahead.
Grab your phone and call the Coast Guard.
What you're doing is illegal. Sitting underneath.
No, what you're doing is illegal.
We're moving. I stopped.
Moving
run into
at
you.
5 feet a second.
That's called trolling. Look
That's
it up.
called trolling.
Trolling.
You just said right there, we're not stopped.
Trolling.
You see an anchor down? You don't see an anchor
The
down,
max
do you?
speed is 6 miles per
You
hour.
need to look where you're going.
Watch where you're going.
Look where you're going next
Do you
time.
have your
There's so many
Do
people.
you have
on
your
the road.
boating license?
You are the
Yes,
only
I
one
do.
that has a
Let's
problem.
see it.
Certified.
Look where you're going.
We got a boating license, registration.
Don't
What else
be
do you
ignorant.
need?
Don't
Please
be
go
ignorant.
enjoy your
You don't
day.
see an anchor
Go
down
enjoy
there.
your
We're not
day.
stopped.
Please
So you
go
need to
enjoy
close
your
your mouth
day.
and keep on rowing.
Every single rower saw us ahead of time.
So goddamn ignorant
And
for
then
nothing.
veered off and
You
passed
don't
us.
own the river.
Call the Coast Guard.
You're an
I got the
asshole.
whole conversation on video. Dumbass.
Afternoon.
Get ready to have them.
We are in a boat off Cambridge, Maryland in the Choptank River. We are the safety boat for the regatta that the Cambridge Yacht Club is having. And we have a boat full of drunken teenagers that are buzzing participants in the race. And
Now they're having
we
a
need a law
fight.
enforcement vessel out here.
Tell them they're fighting.
We
They're
now
being
have a
assaulted.
fight on board the vessel, and we're going to have 2 drunk people in the water pretty soon.
They don't have any PFDs on. They were visible.
Okay.
Hey! Hey, you guys, the police and the Coast Guard have been called.
Yeah, the Coast Guard should be trying to call you. Yeah, we got a situation here that needs a law enforcement vessel ASAP.
They're out of control. They're
Yeah, there is
fighting
now a fight on the vessel.
boat. At the controls of the boat. Oh, Jesus. Someone's gonna get hurt.
Okay. Okay, standing by.
And I got this all on video too. They're hitting each other.
Yeah, David's calling him now.
Now they don't have a boat hook.
Naughty Lady Safety Boat, I'm on the phone with them now and DNR. I'm on hold.
They have to return the boat. They rented that boat.
What's that? No, y'all got the problem, dude. No, I ain't got no problem. Hey, that's it. Stop, I'm throwing some. Whatever. Bye-bye, baby. Hey, y'all the assholes, y'all the ones that started this shit. No, I told you, I said you got my long lines. I said you watch my long
then y'all start being an asshole. If I could, I'd come over here, big boy. No, you didn't. I said watch our long lines, and you started acting.
We didn't have a problem with your fucking mate.
That's what.
Stay out of your fucking mate.
That's what I said. Watch our long lines. And then you started screaming and hollering, dude. Let's go on. I just said watch our long lines.
Just go on.
I said watch our long lines.
You did not. You started talking shit. We stayed out of your fucking fucking mouth. What are you gonna fucking do? What are you gonna do? Who would you jump over? Tell me what.
Come on, big boy. Fucking beat us in the gun.
You started talking shit.
Beat us in the gun.
We stayed out of your
I said, watch the long line. I said, just watch the long line. You started hollering.
That's fine. Why you gotta run back? Hey, holler first. Hey, is everything okay or not?
Everything's fine.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
This all the time.
Trust me.
Okay.
I had a fucking emergency. I'm sorry that my race fucked up your little three-person dash track. Watch your fucking mouth. I live here. You can talk here. I'm going back to my dog. You enjoy your little fishing, your fucking Craigslist fishing boat. Put it back in your trailer and go to fuck home. Yep. One day, do it. I might go away today. Let's hang out all night. Let's all be fucking friends. Watch you run your mouth. You're fucking illegal. Time to have fucking fun. Trust me.
We don't give a shit, fuckhead. So
We're not in the swim area. That's the buoy. That's vessels only. That's outside the vessel area. Yeah, we're done riding, but understand that right there says no vessels inside. It's a lake. It's water. It's a lot drier on a sofa, but you're here. No, it's not out of respect. This is the laws and the rules. Boats don't come inside. It does not say no wake. It doesn't, listen, don't get crazy with me. I'm not being rude. Hey, dude, knock it off. Dude, you want something to me? Huh? No one said nothing. We were very calm with your wife. You want to come over and act like an idiot?
Take your helmet off.
Come on.
Take your helmet off. Yeah, you're gonna wear that helmet because you know.
I just got off a ski, dumbass.
You're gonna wear that helmet because you know.
Dude, don't come right here to the lake and act like an idiot. She asked and I said, no, she thinks that's a no-wake zone. It's not a no-wake zone. I'm ex-Coast Guard. I know the fucking rules.
That's all I was asking. Just going up with my old lady.
No, I live here, dude. I've been riding here for 7 years. I live right here. I ride 7 days a week. Why would I show up for your old lady? I got an old lady.
No, I said if you're smarting off at my old lady.
No, she said that that's a no-wake zone. It's not a no-wake zone. No vessels. I know it's $185 if you drive in here with the motor. That's not a no-wake zone. That's no vessels inside that area. Out there is not a no-wake zone. So know the rules before you say something. And that's why they have to swim there. We just had them fix that yesterday. Those buoys were down, and we had the county come and fix those yesterday morning. That's a swim area. That's why we had the vessel zone farther out from the swim area, so no kid would have a chance of getting hurt. I got 3 grown kids myself. It's water, it's a lake, it's waves, that's what it happens. I've been in here with a 6-month-old infant and floating. But that's waves are fun. What kid is afraid of waves? He'll get used to it. No, that's what a beach is. Well, that's why you're at a lake and you're next to a boat ramp where there's vessels coming in and out. If you want to go where there's absolutely no one, go under the bridge. You'll be in the shade. You can park your car. Have you guys ever been under the bridge? No. Dude, it's nice. There's a little dirt road right there. Look, just to the left of the bridge. Little dirt road. You could be out of the sun. The kids can be out in the sun. They can swim. There's no boats going right there because they'll hit a fucking concrete bridge. That's a perfect place for kids. Here, you just got to understand. This is what this is. That's fine. I was just here Saturday doing the lake cleanup. I hauled 2,800 pounds of debris out of this lake Saturday in the fucking rain with my boats. So if anyone knows this lake, it's me. So if anyone's going to tell me laws or rules, I'll just educate you. That's not a no-wake zone. So before you come stomping on some dudes, that's not smart. Dude, I don't talk to no old ladies like that. She was the one.
She just come over.
I know, but when someone, listen, if my old lady came lit on you, I don't think you're going to be a gentleman and say, listen, gal, I was trying to be very good about it until she said that I was being...
Until she said the F word.
Yes.
Then all hell broke.
Then all hell broke loose. I got no respect for someone who's got no fucking respect. And I'll throw down with anyone, guy or gal. The gal wants to punch me in the face, she's getting knocked the fuck out.
Yeah, I understand.
Exactly. So we understand each other. But I live here. I know the rules. I love your kids. I don't even know them. I raised mine. I would never do nothing to harm them. As far as waves, you're at the water. If you want to stay dry, keep on and soak at home.
The waves are gone already.
I know, and we come in, we load up, we go, we play. Sometimes it's just we put out a race course out here.